30 months before, I made a video on how to unlock bootloader of any OnePlus smartphone, and I got many comments, people asking a tutorial to relock bootloader as they wanted to get Wide 1 L1 certification and enjoy watching high premium content. So I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this video I'll be showing how to relock, that is lock bootloader of any OnePlus smartphone. So without wasting any more of the time, let's get started. Firstly, this method only works when you are on stock ROM, that is Oxygen OS, not on any custom ROMs. And secondly, take backup of entire data, that is your photos, videos, files, etc., as this process is gonna wipe out all the data on your smartphone. Now that you are okay with the above 2 points and ready to get your Wide 1 L1 certification back, head over to your smartphone, turn on the developer option by tapping on the build number 5 times in your about phone from settings, and then head over to the developer options and turn on USB debugging and advanced reboot. Now you can see that the bootloader is already unlocked, and now connect your phone to your PC and set it to file transfer mode. In case if you see any dialog box popping, then just hit on OK or proceed. Now on your PC, go to the ADB folder where you have installed the ADB drivers before, assuming that you have unlocked the bootloader using the same computer. If not, I have shown how to install ADB drivers and fastboot drivers on your PC in the unlocking bootloader video. So you can watch it from the link in the description box below, or I button over top right corner will be popping out. Now on the directory path, type cmd and hit on enter. You will see a command prompt dialog box where we are gonna write few commands for the magic to happen. To check whether your device is properly connected or not, just type adb space devices. Then you will be able to see a alphanumeric string, which means your device is detected. Now you can either long press the power button and hit on reboot to bootloader, or type adb space reboot space bootloader in your command prompt, which will reboot your device to bootloader. Now you can see the device state is unlocked. Now type fastboot space devices, which will again show you the same alphanumeric string letting you know that the device is connected in fastboot mode. In case your device is not visible, then install fastboot drivers, link is given in the description box below. Now the important command, type fastboot space OEM space lock -go and hit on enter. Now on your phone, you will be seeing a warning showing that you won't be able to install custom ROMs and you'll lose all your data if you proceed. So as I said, make sure you have taken the backup and moved it to the PC. Now use the volume buttons to navigate to lock bootloader and hit on power button to select. Now phone will perform factory reset and this will take 5 to 10 minutes. So don't worry, be patient. We have the dedicated Telegram group for OnePlus where we'll share news, tutorials, update, tips, etc. So don't forget to join from the link given in the description box below. Once the phone is booted, complete the setup and restart your device once. That's it. Congrats, now your phone's bootloader is logged and you got back your Wide 1 L1 certification, and you can enjoy high premium quality content on your smartphone. If you wish, you can check the device state from the developer option, or just put your smartphone into the fast boot mode where you can see whether the device state is locked or unlocked, or else on your CMD just type fastboot space OEM space device -info and you'll see that the device unlock status is false. So guys, this was a simple tutorial to relock the bootloader of any OnePlus smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to get notified for the videos related to OnePlus like this. So I'll meet you in the next one guys. Bye bye.